Right, so welcome back to the channel. We're basically going to try and take care of all of this side of stuff today. I'll try and get it done quick. Might be quick for you, not quick for me. But anyway, let's get stuck in. I'll just take this trim off. Sorry about the ambient noise from outside. It's a nice day here, so I thought I'd just open the door. Anyway, I'm just going to take off a bit of trim first. Pardon the voice too, I'm a bit husky, I haven't been too well lately. That was drastic, but needed to happen. Brought that out, scuffed it a bit, but whatever, this thing's about to get blasted. I mean, it's not exactly pretty. And we got it off, but I'm not worried about how ugly it is and how bent it is. I've got a whole set that I bought off someone down south in a box in my other lockup. So yeah, like when we get back to that bit, whatever, we can address it then. Not really fussed. So let's move on to this guy and then onto the door and see what we can do there. Nice. Alrighty. Alright, well this should come out easy enough. It's just like the other side. So yeah, let's just have at it and see what happens. Shouldn't be that hard. Should be easy enough. Should just be a case of oh well, that was easy. Didn't even need to do a screw. Alright, well, that was super easy. Surprised those just didn't come out as we were driving along. That's crazy ridiculous. Alright, not bad. Right, so up and close and personal with the passenger door. I haven't even looked at how this comes apart. I'm just gonna have a go at it. I mean, this door card's pretty thrashed. I mean, it's a template at best, right? So yeah, I'll just set you up somewhere on the tunnel, I'm guessing, on a stand, and put you on time lapse, and you guys can come with me, see how I go. I thought I'd just take you off time lapse for a second and sort of explain where I'm at. I've taken off some end caps and taken off the Allen bolts that hold this part of the window frame on the door, and then it's the same kind of deal here with them. So I'm just about to take them out, and then this whole thing should just lift right out, and then I'll be able to take out the door mechanism and then the window winder as well. I'm not exactly sure if I'm doing it the right way or not. I can't get the window down anyway. If it's supposed to come down, I can't get it down, so I'm going to try and gently take the glass out while I'm doing the window frame itself. Hope I don't drop it, because that'll be shit. As you can see, someone's been in here and hacked a massive hole in the door. I mean, that door doesn't look like that. That's got like a nice hole, and then this thing's just butcher city. Which, you know, whatever. So it's like the rest of this thing. Yeah. All right. Well, I'm gonna put you back on time lapse, pull those front ones out, and then you can have a good laugh at me if I drop the window. Nice. Unfortunately, I am out of time today, which is hilarious. There's another one of those caps that's keeping the frame in, so next time when I come back, I'll take that out, and I think there's another one in there somewhere. I need to do a bit more investigating, but yeah, I'm pretty sure it's just that one, and maybe working out how to take the window regulator off the window itself, and then I can pull that whole frame. So yeah, I was trying to get there this time, but I've just run out of time, so I've got to go. Once again, you know, thanks for everybody for tuning in, all the new subscribers. Yeah, anyone with any advice on how the frame comes out a bit easier would be more than welcome to drop it on me. I mean, we got that out, like that was hard, that was just sitting there, and then cut that off. And I've been bagging bits, but you know, like basically pulling bits off. It's been a bit of a quick episode. I'm kind of out of time, and kind of gotta go. It's just one of those days. It's actually been one of those weeks. If you know, you know. It's been like a pretty hellish 3 weeks actually. So yep, we'll just leave it at that. Nice one. Thanks for coming.